Hi everyone, Manju here, and in today's video we are going to look at a fixed income strategy that would fetch us 11% annual growth interest rate. So the fixed asset which I'm talking about today would have two advantages. The first one would be you would get the interest rate on a monthly basis. So overall for the whole year you will be fetching around 11% interest, and the second advantage would be 11% easily beats the inflation rate of India. So it would be a lot more profitable than any other fixed asset classes. So the asset which I'm talking about is nothing but NCD-IPO, which is pretty similar to bonds. But NCD-IPOs are offered at very cheap price, starting off from 10,000 rupees, which makes many of the middle class people to buy it very easily, unlike bonds that starts off from 2 lakh rupees. It is very important to diversify even when you're buying bonds and NCDs. Try to diversify your investments through various NCDs and bonds so that your risk is minimized. Also, do your own research before investing. So without any further delay, let us go through the screen. So the website which I'm gonna use to purchase the NCDs would be goldenpie.com. There are various other websites which you could use to buy the NCDs and bonds in the market. So here, click on Discover Bonds on the top navigation bar. You would be able to see all of the available bonds and NCDs that are listed. You could scroll down, and what we are looking at is specifically an NCD called Dhani Loans and Service Limited. As you can see here, the minimum investment is 10,000 rupees. The NCD closes on 10th of May, yield is 11%, and you get a monthly payment with a tenure of 36 months. And this particular NCD is AA rated. So click on it and you'll be able to see the complete details about this particular NCD. Ensure that you're logged in into your account to apply for it. Let us look at the cash flow. Here you would see that if we invest 10,000 rupees from the month of June, you would be getting an interest of 87 rupees 42 paise on a monthly basis. And scrolling further down, you would see the total returns after the tenure would be 13,000 rupees change. You could look at all the other details like comparison between the bank deposit and this particular bond, and when the company was incorporated, and all the other details. Click on view more to view more technical details about this particular NCD. You could also click on download prospectus to have more in-depth details about this particular NCD. So I'm going to click on apply IPO. It would take me to the next page where I can enter the amount of NCD that I like to purchase. So for this video, I'm gonna purchase 10 units, which should be costing around 10,000 rupees. So enter your details, click on continue button, and you would be able to enter the PAN and the demat details that you get from the stockbroker. Click on proceed and you would see that your IPO has been successfully submitted. Now you can click on go to IPO orders to see whether your order has been placed successfully. As you can see, it has been placed successfully. Also, you would get a notification on your mobile phone from your UPI provider. I'm using Paytm, so you could see that I've got a notification to block the amount through UPI mandate. So you could see that there is a request from Dani Loans and Services for 10,000 rupees. So I'm gonna click on it and view the details and click proceed. So it is going to ask me the confirmation. I'm going to click confirm, and you could see it has been scheduled successfully. So for investors who are conservative, bonds and NCDs would definitely be one of the best options. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, please click the like icon, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, put it in the comment box, and I will see you in the next video.